there are 7 questions. Sorry, I rectify myself. Total there are 9 questions in part 2 of the question paper. But you are supposed to be solving any 5 questions only. I repeat, any 5 questions are to be solved from part 2. Okay? Now, again, if you will cooperate with me and look at the contents of the book, right from chapter number 7 till the last, there are 25 chapters. But we count it in a different category. Okay? So, the soil chapter, coming to the topic which I will start teaching, is your question number 4 on the question paper. Question number 3 is climate. Climate becomes difficult to begin with. So, I have chosen soils in India. The chapter is also termed as soil resources. Okay? And we go through this study in detail today. So, if you want, you can turn to the chapter Soil Resources in India, and we will go in order. Now, the first thing which you should know about soil is its definition. And you have the definition in the book, but if you remember what all things are to be mentioned in the definition, you will be able to write it in your own language. Now, soil, you should know where it is found and what it is made up of. These 2 parts, they make up the entire definition. Okay? Where is soil found? It is the outermost. The answer to this is outermost layer of the earth. It is the outermost layer of the earth. That is its position. Now, what it is made up of. Now, here there are 5 things which you should be knowing. And you can note it down along with me, starting with weathered rock. The first is weathered rock. Second component is humus, which is nothing but decomposed organic matter. Third is soil air. Fourth is soil water. And the last, I write it by the side over here, are living organisms. Five components soil has. Where is it found? Outermost layer of the Earth's crust. Now, understand these components. Weathered comes from the word weathering. In class 9, you studied about weathering. And I remind you, weathered here means broken into pieces. Weathering can be a physical process, a chemical process, or a biological process. By either of these processes, when the rock has been broken up, we have